Just another day at Sunbelt Roofs. We're here on the final stages of our Fortified Certified roof in the Lower Garden District, looking up at the Central Business District of the CBD of downtown New Orleans. French Quarter's over that way. You see that interstate there that's going actually to what they call the West Bank, right over a bridge named the Crescent City Connection. And you can kind of see the iconic whale tail of the Carnival cruise ship dock there. But just really wanted to show you almost finished product. Certainly this side is done on this Fortified Certified roof. Here on a new build coming into the holiday weekend. Just finishing up this low slope area, putting metal plates and screws down on the base sheet. We have it all flashed going through the parapet wall and the drains known as scuppers. Just wanted to give you an update how beautiful this is. Pretty much looks like any other roof, but it's what you don't see that matters. A very, very resilient roof for these people in this fine home in the Garden District. Check us out on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, sunbeltroofs.com.